Hi, my name is Dr. Julia Cline, and I'm a Research Aerospace Engineer at NASA Langley Research Center. I got my master's and Ph.D. from the University of Texas at Arlington, and I use what I learned there every single day in my job at NASA. My team and I work on technologies that are going to enable a sustained presence on the moon and Mars one day, which is very exciting work. We look at what is required to build infrastructure that is needed for that sustained presence. Our astronauts need places to live and work and play, and technologies that are going to support that, like communication, roads, transportation, everything you can think of that we have here on Earth that is supporting our life here, we need to have that on another planet. And so we look at how we're going to achieve that infrastructure on the surface of the moon and of Mars. One such project that we're looking at is what we call our LANDO project, which is looking at the Lightweight Surface Manipulation System, or LSMF, which is a robotic crane that we are designing to be able to offload payloads from a lunar lander to the surface of the moon. This technology is going to help us because as we send more and more components to the moon to be able to set up our sustained presence, we need to be able to take those components off of a lunar lander and place them onto the surface of the moon. And then we need to be able to move them from location to location in order to do the assembly. This technology looks very similar to a tower crane on a Earth-based construction site. And we can use it to also do construction on the moon and then eventually on Mars. My team combines our expertise in materials and structures, autonomy and robotics, modeling and simulation, and systems analysis and concepts to bring these technologies into fruition as what we can apply to these exciting opportunities on the surface of another planet. I built the foundation of my work in this area during my studies at the University of Texas at Arlington, and it led me to my dream job at NASA. And I encourage you to look at the university as an option for your studies so that you can do the same.